Buy this, not that. Tools that just make sense, and some that don't. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about what is quite possibly my favorite tool to use in the shop, which is my air hammer. You can see here, this one's kind of a relic from Snap-on, but there's a reason I keep it around. I would always recommend that you buy high quality, name brand air hammer and bits. Mainly because you're going to go through these bits over and over in your career, and spending the money up front will pay dividends in the long run. You don't want to have to keep buying these cheap ones. Also, using an air hammer is dangerous enough. When you start bringing in cheap tools, it makes it just that much worse. So save yourself the headache, buy yourself a Snap-on or equivalent air hammer, and you won't regret it. If this video was useful, like and subscribe, and I'll see you around.